cuties! Welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Purna.
And I'm Deepa. It's holiday time and even online classes are not there. Purna and Bhargav are completely into play mode. I was just asking them to do something like learn something, study.
Yeah, I'm enjoying these holiday mode and I'm not in the mood of studying.
I told them at least learn multiplication table, Bhargav. Purna learn some chemistry formulas and equations so that, when I was a kid, even when I am sleeping, someone wake me and ask me, I just get it right.
Okay, Mom, now you're bluffing. So she said that to us and I told her, why are you able to cook when you're sleep and close with your eyes? And she was like, So today, me and Bhargav challenged her that she should cook blindfolded and you're gonna be watching her do that. So it's gonna be really fun.
And you know what? To make kids study, you can go to any extent and I'm ready to cook blindfolded.
So let's see how that turned out. So we've gotten all the ingredients from Mom's list and Bhargav's gone ahead to bring Mom blindfolded, presenting Chef Deepak to me or my mom. Dun 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 dun!
Hi!
Yeah, so we've got all the things that you need, so why don't we go ahead and show you? But we can't show you because you can't see.
I think this is a huge challenge. I'm just thinking, why did they accept that? So here's the stove, here's the vessel.
Then we have all the spice powders, all the boxes over here, which you have to find out which one is which by smelling.
Sure. That is the main ingredient.
Prawns for the prawn biryani.
Get me that first. Is it well clean now?
Yeah, it's well cleaned.
So here I have prawns and I'm going to marinate it. Let's begin the challenge. I think this is not going to be easy at all because I can smell prawns. I don't know how I'm going to marinate and other stuff.
I have a step for you. If you win, I'm going to give you 500. If you don't win, I'm not going to give you 500.
So I'm going to start marinating. It's not about 500. I need you to study all the things that I've asked for. As for the challenge, I am not there for 500. I need my kids to study. That's okay. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate the prawns. I should make sure that I don't put it in the wrong place. I have prawns here. I'm going to add some chili powder,
which you already smelled and found out.
Yeah. So I'll take one by one.
What's that?
Wait, let me smell that.
I think it's turmeric.
Thank you for telling me.
Oh no, you're not supposed to do that. You're helping her, Bhargav.
I'm going to add some turmeric. Wait. I have a trick. Now,
these are the boxes. I moved them.
You should not do this. I just made sure that chili powder is here. Oh my god. No games, please.
Okay, so the boxes are
It's
over
not
here.
my problem. See, you have to eat it. Okay?
No.
Make sure you don't do these tricks.
She's bribing us. What?
I really can't guess out what it is.
Maybe you should taste it. Taste the whole bucket full of it. Yeah, taste them. That's some.
Yeah, it's salt. My god. I'm not sure whether I'm adding on the prawns or I'm putting it down. Guys, please help me with that, okay?
Yeah.
Purna, am I doing it right? Please?
No, I'm going to tell you.
Oh my god. Now where is the other one? I need that. Coriander powder. Where is that? I know what bottle is this. This is garam masala.
No, it's not.
It's a... Wow. This is definitely coriander powder. Again, I'm going to add a spoon of that. The one more ingredient that I have to put in is lemon. Can you give me the lemon in my hands?
No, you find out.
That's going to be difficult.
Wait, I'll take from your ends.
No.
That is the right thing.
I found it.
No. That's tomatoes. Oh no.
I just need one help from Bhargav or Purna. I've added all the spices. Just mix it all together.
No,
Okay?
ew, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, I got that. I marinated it.
Be careful, Mom. Don't break the shrimp.
Shrimps doesn't break.
Yeah.
You break my head often.
No. The sink is right over here. You look like a blind woman.
I'm definitely going to give you a gift. It's not a game right in the kitchen, okay?
Why are you doing it?
Now, I've closed the marinated prawns right over here. Now it's the time to be very careful with the start, okay? God knows how much sesame oil I'm going to put it in the pot. Now it's going to be very hot. Guessing that's the middle of the...
I think that's enough oil.
Oh, thank you so much, Barbara.
How will you check the oil is heated?
Do you think I'm going to put my fingers in now?
Duh.
I just put my fingers atop. I'm very happy one way because I'm not going to eat the biryani today.
What?
So I'm going to put it right in the
Be
center.
careful, Mom.
Yeah. And I have one more guess. You know how I find prawns is being cooked?
I know, because prawns only take 3 minutes exactly to cook. I'm gonna take a break, guys.
Hey, have you
He
left
just
already?
left away, Mom.
Oh, then can I remove the blindfold and start cooking food now? Can you?
No! You're like getting 2 by 2.
Oh my god, that's not the right way. Am I getting it on the plate?
You're getting it on the plate. Now you didn't get any, you just dropped your spatula.
I have the spices. Yeah, I think this is the bowl of, yeah. I'm going to add the spices inside. Mint leaves.
Mint leaves are easy to find because of the taste. The smell.
I need some green chilies. Yeah, yeah, you flip it very good.
But you also got some coriander leaves instead.
Yeah, I have to put that as well, so I'm going to add that as well. Finding it difficult to find.
I'm telling you.
I'm not sure whether the leaves have been shrinked. I'm going to put the onions in. I make sure I put the electric stove in manual mode because if I'm going to cook it in the burner, I have to put it in a simmer and then put it in high heat. So I thought electric stove can help me with this blindfold challenge. So I've added ginger garlic paste. 1, 2. Can you count up to 25 to 30?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm not gonna let her pick out the salt that easy. I think it's, Mom, it's this one.
Thank you, Barbara.
No.
You are so good.
No, that's chili pepper, Mom.
This is aromatic. This is turmeric. I know that.
So then that's...
I don't think we need add turmeric because you gave me. I'm going to add a little. Barbara, I feel like you're climbing on the stove.
Yeah, my legs hurt. It's a little bit burnt, guys. Yeah, it's a little bit burnt. I'll show you. Look at that. Yeah, it's like burnt on the bottom. Wait.
I am just going to add in some coriander powder. Let me add some garam masala. So I'm just making a wild guess that this is all done. Here is 3 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to add inside the pot.
I have 1 cup of water here, and you're gonna like probably measure the quantity. I don't know how much to add.
You're going to...
So we're using basmati rice, like Mom asked.
Prawn biryanis are so simple, so easy, but getting it made blindfolded is really tough.
I never cook, guys. I only use to cook for the channel.
I've removed all the rice.
Yeah, you have.
So now it's time to close off this. Oh, you close it?
Oh,
Okay.
I'll just take it out. You can close it.
No, that's fine. Because let it cook. When it's almost done, I'll tell you when to add the prawns. I'm going to open this, put my spatula in, and I can feel water is still there. And I'm going to drop it on my hands. It's going to be a little hot, but still, when you're blindfolded, you have to do that.
Do you just like drop them all of them in?
Yeah, I
It's
want
easy
them.
putting them in, but it's hard to get them out when
Yeah.
you're blindfolded.
I'm just going to randomly put the fried onions all over. It's like garnish and it adds nice flavor to this biryani. So I'm going to close the pot. I made a biryani.
Mom, I feel like this.
He loves that.
Yeah.
I have to check. Can I remove this?
Yeah. Look at her new face.
My God, I always.
It's been a billion years since her mom has seen us.
I felt like a character in Mahabharata called Kantari. Wow. And put it on simmer. Hey, I'm done with my challenge. And you're ready to taste that? See,
This
I'm not-
looks delicious, guys.
I'm not messed up with the rice. Look at this.
Give me that, give me that. It's like moist and it's like easy to take in. I taste this, guys. A little bit of prawn. Where are the judges?
How's that?
I need a spoon too. Here you go. You planned this, didn't you?
So,
Mom, time for you to go out. The judges will make a decision. The rice is pretty good, but the flavors are not there. The garam masala. I feel like it's there, but it's a little too on the moist side. Let's taste the prawn, whether it's cooked. Perfectly done. I like the prawns. It's the texture. Time to come up with a decision. Come on in, Mom. We've made our decision. Presenting contestant number 1 and the only contestant. Yeah. Chef Deep Lakshmi.
how was that?
Well, we're gonna rate you out of 10. So Bargo's gonna rate you out of 10 first. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
That's actually pretty good for being
That's
blind.
pretty good.
7 out of 10, it's like really moist and the flavors are not there. Prawns has a lot of flavor. That's good. I would give you like a 9.3.
Wow, that's too good.
Yeah, because the prawns are like perfectly done. The rice is really nice to take in. It has a beautiful flavor. I'm talking like a judge. They should probably appoint me for some cooking show.
I think I've done good job blindfolded. I won the challenge. Do you agree?
Yeah, fine.
And you guys are going to study the way I said.
Darn it. I can't stop eating.
I enjoyed making this blindfold challenge biryani. Hope you guys liked it. If you like, just go subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, comment down below if you want me playing games blindfolded. No, Bargo, that's boring. Comment down below if you want me cooking blindfolded.
Did you see? Bhargav is just continuously munching the biryani. It means that's flavorful. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video at the most like how we did.
Yeah, and go click on that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon because you will definitely want to get